Portable charger versus wall charger, pros and cons. Portable charger versus wall charger, pros and cons. In today's technology-driven world, our reliance on electronic devices is higher than ever. We constantly need to keep our smartphones, tablets, and other gadgets charged to ensure we stay connected, entertained, and productive. To meet this demand, we have various options to choose from: portable chargers and wall chargers. In this article, we will explore the pros and cons of each to help you decide which one suits your needs best. Portable chargers. Portable chargers, also known as power banks, are compact devices that store electrical energy and allow you to charge your devices on the go. They come in various sizes, capacities, and types, providing different levels of convenience and functionality. Let's take a closer look at the pros and cons of portable chargers. Pros. 1. Portability. As the name suggests, portable chargers are designed to be carried with you wherever you go. Their compact size and lightweight nature make them easy to slip into your bag, pocket, or purse. This portability ensures that you have a convenient power source available whenever you need it, whether you are traveling, on a hike, or simply out and about. 2. Convenience. Portable chargers eliminate the need to find a wall outlet or USB port to charge your devices. They offer a ready-made charging solution, enabling you to power up your gadgets wherever you are, without any dependence on electricity sources. This is especially useful during power outages or when you are in remote locations without access to electricity. 3. Multiple device charging. Many portable chargers come equipped with multiple USB ports or even wireless charging capabilities, allowing you to charge multiple devices simultaneously. This feature is particularly beneficial for individuals who use multiple gadgets throughout the day or for families with several devices to charge. 4. Extra battery life. Portable chargers offer an additional battery life for your devices. With their capacity measured in milliampere hours (mAh), they can provide several full charges for smartphones, tablets, or even laptops, depending on their capacity. This is invaluable when you are on long trips or when you don't have access to charging outlets for extended periods. 5. Versatility. Portable chargers are compatible with a wide range of devices, including smartphones, tablets, e-readers, digital cameras, and more. They usually come with multiple charging cables or adapters, making them suitable for various devices regardless of their specific charging requirements. Cons. 1. Limited capacity. Despite their convenience, portable chargers have their limitations. Their capacity determines how many times they can fully charge your devices before needing to be recharged. Themselves. Higher capacity portable chargers are often bulkier and heavier, which can be a drawback if you value portability and compactness. 2. Recharging time. Portable chargers need to be recharged after use, and this process can take several hours depending on their battery capacity and input power. While some models offer fast charging capabilities, most power banks require a certain amount of time to replenish their charge. 3. Regular maintenance. Portable chargers require regular maintenance to ensure optimal performance. They need to be charged and discharged regularly, especially if left unused for an extended period. Additionally, some power banks may lose their charge over time, requiring them to be replaced after a certain period. Wall chargers. Wall chargers, also known as AC adapters or power bricks, are the more traditional way of charging electronic devices. They are designed to be plugged into a wall outlet or a power strip, converting AC power into DC power suitable for charging. Let's explore the pros and cons of wall chargers. Pros. 1. Reliable and efficient charging. Wall chargers provide a consistent and reliable power supply for your devices. They are specifically designed to deliver optimal charging currents, ensuring a safe and efficient charging process. With wall chargers, you can expect a relatively faster charging time compared to portable chargers, especially if you use a high-capacity charger designed for fast CH. Charging. 2. No dependency on battery life. When using a wall charger, you don't need to worry about the battery life of the charger itself. As long as you have access to a power outlet, you can charge your devices indefinitely, eliminating the need to carry around a portable charger that may run out of battery during extended trips. 3. Cost-effective. Unlike portable chargers that need to be replaced or upgraded over time, wall chargers are usually bundled with electronic devices or sold separately at a one-time cost. This makes them a cost-effective charging solution for your devices, particularly if you have multiple devices with the same charging requirements. 4. Variety of options. Wall chargers come in various power ratings, sizes, and designs to accommodate different devices and charging needs. You can find wall chargers with multiple USB ports, USB-C. Compatibility, quick charge capabilities, and other features, allowing you to find the best fit for your specific requirements. Cons. 1. Limited mobility. The biggest drawback of wall chargers is their lack of mobility. Once plugged into an outlet, you are limited to a designated charging area. This can be inconvenient, especially when you are on the go or need to use your device while charging. 2. Dependence on electric outlets. Wall chargers require access to electrical outlets, which can restrict their usability in certain situations. If you are in an area without electricity or during power outages, wall chargers become ineffective unless you have access to alternative power sources such as generators or solar panels. 3. Bulky design. Wall chargers can be relatively bulkier and less portable compared to their portable counterparts. Their size and weight can be a deciding factor for individuals who prefer a sleek and lightweight charging solution. Advancements in technology have made our lives more convenient, but they also come with the need to keep our electronic devices charged. 2 popular charging options are portable chargers and wall CH. RJ. Portable chargers, also known as power banks, are small devices that store electrical energy and allow you to charge your devices on the go. Wall chargers, on the other hand, are the traditional null charging option that plugs into a wall.